Hello again, and welcome to Christine's Creativity Cabinet. And before you say, "But Christine, you're doing it wrong," stop, okay? Because I'm going to get salty in this video. And this is in tribute to the saltiest YouTuber of all, NerdECrafter, and her evil twin, SaltyCrafter. I have made for NerdECrafter an awesome gift, a giant salt shaker, and I'm going to show you that. I'm also going to show you a craft kit that I put together for less than $10 from mostly Dollar Tree and a few Walmart things that I'm hoping that she will maybe review on her channel. At least I've proved that you can make better craft kits for cheaper by putting them together yourself. So I'll show you that, and I'll also show you some extra things that just extra goodies that I'm going to include in the box for NerdECrafter and her sister Sika. For those of you new to this channel, subscribe or I will wave this sharp, pointy thing at you, kind of like NerdECrafter does. So, and be sure to turn on all the notifications. Okay, let's get going. Okay, we've got our kit all ready. We've got the giant salt shaker and the kit and the bag of snacks for Sika and the other goodies together. And I'm going to be taking them to a mailing place to get them all packed nicely. But we have to pray to the mailing gods. So let's all put our hands together and pray. Dear mailing gods of Evermore, please protect NerdECrafter's giant salt shaker from breaking in the mail. And also, stop breaking my stuff!
She's weird and self-aware. Interesting.